Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious hummus chips. First, you will need 4 pita breads, about 4 tablespoons of olive oil, and a half teaspoon of salt. You can also add optional seasonings like garlic powder or a pinch of black pepper for extra flavor. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature ensures your chips will bake perfectly golden and crisp. Don't forget to line a baking sheet with parchment paper for a smooth cooking process. Next, let's prepare the pita bread. Take each of your 4 pita breads and cut them into 8 equal wedges. This will give you a total of 32 chip-sized pieces. Carefully arrange these wedges in a single layer on your baking sheet, ensuring they do not overlap. Drizzle all 4 tablespoons of olive oil evenly over the pita pieces. Finally, sprinkle the half teaspoon of salt and any additional seasonings you like, such as garlic powder, over the oiled pita. Now it's time to bake your chips to perfection. Place the baking sheet with the seasoned pita wedges into your preheated 375 degree Fahrenheit oven. Bake them for approximately 6 to 8 minutes. Then, carefully remove the sheet and use tongs to flip each pita chip. This step is crucial for achieving uniform crispiness. Return them to the oven for another 6 to 8 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and delightfully crunchy. Once your hummus chips are baked, let them cool completely on the baking sheet. This cooling period is essential for them to reach their ultimate crispiness. Serve these delicious homemade chips with a generous bowl of your favorite hummus or any other dip you enjoy. If you happen to have any chips left over, store them in an airtight container at room temperature. They will stay fresh and crunchy for up to 3 days, ready for your next snack.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.